got some crazy swamp ass. Yo, MTV, it's Thomas Travels. Welcome to my crib. Let's go. First and foremost, this is the first crib that we actually ever got on the seas, icon of the seas. I was about to say banging 6 seas, but we don't bang, so sorry about that. But yeah, got the nice room, got the infinity balcony. Let me take y'all around. I don't know if y'all know, but this drink package hitting right now. Come on. All right. First and foremost, as y'all know, you gotta make sure that like when you wake up in the morning, you got a nice, beautiful sky. Also, you might want some greenery. You got the shrubs right there. Go ahead, take a look at those. Look at those, man. That's Central Park right there, bro. And let's say you just want to hear the outside. There you go. Little switch right there. Get to see outside. Band playing. Let's put that up a little loud. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I ain't gonna lie, let's take a little bit longer than I thought it would. We just gonna just wait for that to go. And there we go. All right, cool. So we got these 2 beautiful chairs right here. Get the lounge out. Got the drink package. Put your drinks right here in the yellow table. Looks good. Let me get by y'all real quick. This is where the magic happens. Bam. Firm beds. Not sure if y'all like firm or not. Firm. We prefer firm. That's great. Got the outlet right there. 12V right there. Also have a USB right here. And you have this switch, which is cool. Just for this light. Also have a master switch though. Turns off the whole room. It's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Like that a lot. TV. It's a big boy. Probably give this solid 43. What'd you say, 43 inches? Yeah, okay. Doesn't move. Sorry, just tried to move it. Feel like I took the wall with me. Doesn't move. Don't do that. All right. By the way, y'all, we have our first sponsor of our YouTube channel. Shouts out to No Sweat. It's amazing business out of Marathon, Florida. They catch yellowtail, lobster, beautiful boat, beautiful fish. Amazing. Shouts out to everybody over there. Thank y'all very much, man. Cool. So, over to this side, you have the infamous phone. I don't know who you calling besides Jesus, but ain't nobody gonna pick up that phone. I'll let you know right now. Maybe the kitchen set, that's about it. Oh yeah, got the iconic hats right here. This is really dope. Got these for the inaugural sailing. Nice book. By the way, this is very sturdy. This isn't like a quickly crumble paper. This is some sturdy stuff. This is meant to keep. CPAS cards. Even got the inaugural season on there. Shouts out to them for that. Like it. Like it. All right. Also, really, really, really big game change that they have in this boat. We have the beautiful pull-out bed if you need to sleep there. That's not the game changer though. Game changer here is remote work. We work everywhere in the country nowadays, work everywhere in the world. Doesn't matter. As long as you have internet access and a computer, able to go. This desk right here, you have your 120s, have your European, USB, but they done upgraded y'all USB-C, future-proofing. This is a game changer. This right here is a game changer. This is the first boat I know that actually has, oh, hey beauty, there you go. This is the first boat I actually know that has USB-C. That is the way, that is the standard now. USB is actually phasing out. So a lot of boats still have it because a lot of older people cruise, let's be honest. They might not have upgraded yet though, but this is looking at the future and I like this right here. So let's look at the storage options that we have here. Got a nice little suit closet, good. It is long enough to hang a gown, that's good. So you can hang your gown right there, ladies, do them like that. Or fellas, or people, you know, we are in that day and age. All right, again, nice. Finally, more than 5 hangers. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jeez. Okay, we have over 20 hangers for just us two. That's good. That's good. Got our robes right here. Do need to ask for those. Those do not come with the room. Do ask for those though. Always give it to you. Got the little storage baskets down here too. Put whatever you want. We'll probably end up putting like dirty clothes in there, to be honest, until we gotta pack up. Now let's take a look at where you keep all that important stuff. That's the safe. Got it right there. Passport, wallet. Best part about cruising. Throw all that in there. Don't need it. Also, got your room router here, so should be able to have fast Wi-Fi. I'll be using to upload a couple of these videos, so let's see how that goes. This right here. Oh, nice. Touchscreen, which is cool. Closed blind. Has little settings on here. Morning, movie, evening, sleep. I like that. I'm gonna put in your key card there. By the way, let me drop that down. Okay, that's as low as it's gonna go. We'll take that. It is in Celsius now. I believe you can change it over if need be. Yep. There you go. There you go. 68 degrees here. Now this, ooh, that door's a little sticky. This right here is the bathroom. Go ahead, baby. Shower is decent. I'm actually gonna show y'all right now how big this shower is, so y'all can know. Let me take off my shoes and get in there.
Little cubby space there. More little cubby space here. Drawer space.
Oh, they got the drug closets.
Yeah.
I mean, prescription.
Yes.
Anyway, y'all, again, I'm a pretty big guy. I'm 5'11", around 400 pounds. So let's get in here. So, able to get in, able to close. Yeah, this is good. This is spacious. All right, get up in there, get that section going. All right, there you go. Had a rough day.
There's a seat in this one.
Again, I'm a little bigger, like I said, but yeah, if you had that drink package going and, you know, had a little bit too many to drink, you can go ahead and cause the best way to get over a hangover, y'all, is to continue to drink. So, put that glass right there, head back. Oh yeah, you can get off. You can get good there. Got that whatever, double duty. I don't trust it, but if you use it, if you like it, I love it. Nice. Oh, take a look at this. Y'all need to be using that.
Okay.
At home and on the cruise ship. Been to too many of my friends' houses. Your toilet streaking. Stop that. All right.
Cut. That's a blooper.
Ain't no cuts. Only streaks that we get on Snapchat. Y'all need to stop that. All right. Again, if you put your towels up though, they will not be changed over. If you put them on the floor, they will be. Get that. Also, extra washcloths. Always ask for those. But yeah, y'all, that's the room right there. It's really nice. This room is spacious. This room is, dare I say, on the luxury side. Only thing I would change about this room is I'm a sucker for overhead lights. I'm sorry, I am. I like overhead lighting. There isn't much overhead lighting here. If you turn the camera around, you'll see a lot of your lighting is, you know, upper, but I just like something about the overhead lighting. Being a taller person, I guess. May just be me. Yeah, I'm not the tallest. Let me be very clear. But yeah, I like the overhead lighting. Other than that, man, this is a really nice room. I like it. It's spacious. As a bigger person, you will have enough space to do your business. You will have enough space to shower. Bed is perfect. Perfect bed. Pillows are great. Nice little inside balcony that I like. So you can be outside, but not have to be outside. You know what I mean? Yo, this is a great room. Make sure y'all give us a like and follow. Subscribe to the channel. If y'all need anything, go ahead and ask. I love y'all. It's 1/2 of Timus Travel. It's your boy Timus.
And Marie.
We'll see y'all in the next one.
Peace.